Hyundai Venue S variant. We are going to completely restore like a top end model. We are going to change this normal headlight to DRL cum projector headlight, and top light we are going to change to matrix, and bottom we are going to change DRL plus fog lamp projector. And we are going to change completely seat covers and audio, and AB pillars we are going to mold, and we are going to install a very higher end audios, and going to install full mat, noodles mat, going to change premium leather seat covers also. Hyundai Venue S model petrol we completely converted to black Hydra edition. So this is completely replaced to black Hydra edition. The front grille replaced to turbo and with some colorings, and the top DRL we completely replaced. So here only indicator only comes, but this DRL works like as well as indicator, and it's a daytime running light. And the middle one is a headlight. We completely replaced the company headlight to uh, Hyundai Venue SXO top end model projector cum DRL headlight we completely replaced. And below one DRL cum projector fog lamp we installed completely. And the front totally covered by front ABS body kit. And the reflector installed, and the black Hydra logo installed, and the side one a Venue beading piece installed totally. And this is completely damped by Vibromax 2.0 mm thickness, and this is the focal auditor installed, and it's a three-way component totally. So we molded the complete pillar, and we installed the component speakers in the front pillars. It's completely molded, and this is a 10-inch Android audio, and this is 360-degree camera installed totally. This is the front view, and all views you can see it in this. Legroom light installed, ambient lights, and then sofa leather completely installed, and the design is a computer design, and it's a tan color. And back side also, so complete car surrounded by Vibromax 2.0 mm thickness, and back side Helix audio installed. This is the black Hydra cup, and this black Hydra theme completely installed. So back side LED tail lamps installed, and this is the Alpine 12-inch compact subwoofer. These are the items we installed completely. This is the Hyundai Venue S model original headlight, and the top DRL, and backside LED tail lamp, Infinity 5-channel lamp, and auditor 3-way component, and MaxLink Android audio, MaxLink HID 62 watts installed, and the for projector Punk LED installed, Pioneer DSP S1000 for music purpose we installed, and a 360-degree camera MaxLink installed, Helix audio installed. These are the items we installed completely. So complete Venue. So Hyundai Venue S model totally we replaced into high-end model. So you can see this top end matrix light, we completely replaced it to top end matrix light, and we installed the projector headlight with DRL, completely replaced the headlight. We totally replaced the headlights, When you switch on the car, it's these two lights defaultly lights on, and we installed a turbo grill. We added some symbols also as per customer requirements, and when you switch on the parking night time, this DRL come projector fog lamp also will lights on. So this is the total setup, and this is a purely S model. We changed into completely, it look like a top end model, and we install the backside reflector for the night time. It's very useful for on highways. So this is the complete backside reflector, and we install the turbo logo symbol also in the backside. Now I am going to switch on the headlight also. We install HID 62 watts, and this is the low beam section, and this is a high beam. You can see there is one wall is there, so it will reflect. So this is the high beam, this is low beam, high beam, low beam, low beam. So this is the front view of Hyundai Venue S model.